Good morning. Today I am lecturing about giving the information about the third semester subject fabric structure. In that third unit, looms. Today's session is fifth session. Earlier you know about the looms, types of the loom, differences between the hand loom and the power loom, parts of the loom, motions of the weaving and preparation for the weaving. This is a shuttle which is used for the picking process, through which what it is used here, weft yarns or the picking thread is wounded on this shuttle and it is used for the picking process. Today we are going to learn about the shuttle loom. What is a shuttle loom? The shuttle loom is the oldest type of weaving loom which uses a shuttle which contains a bobbin of filling yarn that appears through a hole situated in the side. So shuttle loom is the oldest type of weaving loom which used for the old process of weaving method. Here the shuttle is used which contains the bobbin of filling yarn, that is the weft yarns, which we can easily see in the side of that shuttle. The shuttle is batted across the loom and during this process it leaves a trail of the filling at the rate of about 110 to 225 picks per minute, that is ppm per minute. How much or how many yarns or the pick, that is the weft yarns, are inserted. So shuttle is batted across the loom from front to the back. It is passed. During this process it leaves that is the inserting the weft yarns with the warp yarns. Per minute about 110 to 225 picks of the weft yarns are inserted. See, this is a shuttle. Here the weft yarn is wounded. You can see by the side it has a hole. It leaves the yarns like this. See here we are inserting the weft yarns with the warp yarns. That is the diagram. Shuttle loom. Although very effective and versatile, the shuttle looms are slow and noisy. So also the shuttle sometimes leads to abrasion on the warp yarns and at the other times causes threads breaks. As a result, the machine has to be stopped for tying the broken yarns. In the shuttle loom, as a shuttle loom is the hand, that is related to hand loom, that is, it is very effective and versatile, but it is very slow and it produces noise. Shuttle sometimes leads to the abrasion of the warp yarns because it goes from front to back to insert the weft yarns. It causes the abrasion. Many times it causes the abrasion to the warp yarns. So you have to use the strong warp yarns. As a result, machine has stopped if the yarns breaks, the machine stops, that is the weaving process stops. So you have to stop the machine and you have to tie that breaked yarn, warp yarn, and then you have to continue the process. So it is the defect or the drawback of that shuttle loom. So shuttle loom is very slow and it produces a noise. It creates a noise and it takes abrasion to the warp yarns. As a result, if the breakage of the warp yarns are more, and for that you have to stop the machine and tie those warp yarns and continue the process. This is the shuttle loom. See the shuttle, warp beam and the cloth beam, harnesses, reeds are fixed that. This is the figure. Advantages of the shuttle loom. What are the advantages of the shuttle loom then? Shuttle loom is more economical than shuttleless looms. Though economical, it is more economical. It is suitable for low scale production types industry, that is the small scale or the low scale production, small scale. Easy to operate. uh, Spare parts are available in the market. So advantages of the shuttle loom: it is more economical than the shuttleless loom. It is suitable for low scale production and easy to operate, and all the spare parts available in the market is. What are the disadvantages of the shuttle loom? Shuttle causes abrasion on the warp yarns because it undergoes many times front to back you have to pass. Sometimes causes the warp breaks. Function slowly, that is 110 to 225 picks per minute. So these are the disadvantages of the shuttle loom. Shuttle looms are noisy. The movement of shuttle will be more difficult to control, and there will be a greater possibility of its ejection from the loom. The movement of the shuttle will be more difficult to control, and there will be a greater possibility of its ejection from the loom. These are the disadvantages of the shuttle loom. So to overcome these disadvantages, some of the shuttleless looms are developed. Then now we are going to study about the shuttleless looms. What are the shuttleless looms? To overcome disadvantages of the shuttle loom, several different kinds of shuttleless looms have been developed. Each type uses a different method of picking, which provides specific characteristics and applications. So each is different, and each method of picking which provides specific characteristic and the applications. What are the advantages of the shuttleless looms? Then high labor and machine productivity due to high speed and wider width of looms. It reduces labor cost due to higher allocation of looms and productivity. Defect-free cloth for longer length. Better environment due to low noise level. So these are the advantages. Productivity will be high speed, and the wider width of the looms, that is we can create the wide width of the cloth, reduces the low labor cost, and it increases the higher productivity. And defect free, that is no defects found in that shuttleless looms. Better environment because due to the pollution, that is a noise pollution, no noise pollution, low noise pollution. Less value loss of fabrics, low consumption of stores and spares, easily adaptable for market trends. So these are the advantages. Bigger flanges can accommodate 3 times and lesser wastages. So wastage will be less compared to shuttle loom. Lesser accidents, easy maintenance, and less workload for the jobbers. So it creates very simple. But then what are the kinds of the shuttleless looms used for the weaving? Many types of shuttleless looms. Here missile or the projectile looms, rapier loom, water jet looms, air jet looms, circular looms. These are the shuttleless looms used for weaving. So you understood about what is the shuttle loom and the shuttleless loom. What are the disadvantages of the shuttle loom? Main 3 disadvantages are: first one is it is a noise creation, that is a noise pollution. It creates a noise pollution. Abrasion takes place. Because of this abrasion, it breakages the warp yarns, so it stops the machine work and it takes the time. And so to overcome these disadvantages, some of the shuttleless looms, instead of the shuttle, we are using other devices to insert the weft yarns. So some of the shuttleless looms are developed. Those shuttleless looms are, as you know, rapier loom, missile or the projectile loom, water jet loom, air jet loom, and the circular loom. These are the shuttleless looms used for the weaving or the manufacturing of the cloths or the fabric. So after this, you have to answer the following questions. Describe the shuttle loom. Write the advantages and disadvantages of shuttle loom. Explain shuttleless loom. So thank you.